Dude, I've been on the road for 357 days. I'm tired, but I'm not quitting now. Let's go, road trip. You guys remember the scene on Forrest Gump when he's running and then he just stops and turns around and says, I'm tired, I gotta go home.
I'm pretty tired.
This right here, this is where it was filmed. Monument Valley, too bad it's too foggy. Anyways, guys, we're gonna head up north. We're gonna go Canyonlands National Park. Let's go. Oh, and today's St. Patrick's Day, so happy St. Patrick's Day. Drink a Guinness. Look at these kids, they're wearing green.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Hey, you know we're green?
Hey, don't pinch me. Ah!
We're here at the Mexican hut, but guess what? Looks like more of a mushroom.
Check it out, we're at Gooseneck State Park here in Utah. Look at the way the San Juan River bends around here. To enter a state park, it costs us $5. I really don't know if that's how much it really costs. I thought it was like 10, but they only charge us $5, so that's what we paid. Guys, you can't have St. Patrick's Day without some Lucky Charms. We've been driving all the way from Monument Valley all the way up to Canyonland, and I hadn't found any place that sells beer because I wanted to get some Guinness, but I guess we had to settle for some Lucky Charms. They're magically delicious.
Lucky Charms! Lucky Charms! Lucky Charms! Hey, we got Lucky Charms!
It looks like it's in deep snow.
So that was our way, but now we gotta go back around. Hey guys, check it out. We just made it to our 25th National Park. We made it to Canyonlands National Park. You wonder why they call it Canyonlands? It's because all the canyons, you dummy.
Hey, you know we're green today.
Hey, you wear green. Stop pinching me. Hey, wait, Jacob got green. Look at, you know where? Right there in his hair.
Wait a second.
Which one do you think's better?
I think this is better. Oh, this is hard.
Check it out. This is our home for the next 3 nights. We are at the Needles Campground and we're staying at spot number 21.
21.
Let me show you guys around. Got a paved parking spot. It's probably like 30 foot long. Got a tent pad right here. What is that? Maybe 10 foot by 10 foot.
This is a barbecue. This is the picnic table. This is another tent pad.
And the site also has no water or electricity, so basically we're boondocking out here. And the spot next door has potable water. And that's our campsite. I hope you enjoy your tour.
Eggs for dinner.
Eggs for dinner.
Camp kitchen kit from GSI Outdoors. Cleaning cloth, a scrubbing pad, 4 spoons, 4 knives, 4 forks, chopping board, kitchen knife, a steak knife, grater, big spoon or soup ladle, tongue, spatula, salt and pepper. That is egg.
That's it. We're gonna eat some dinner. Actually, we're gonna eat some breakfast for dinner and we're gonna call it a night. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.